Kamiti ya ithurano na mibakati yo ABC nirekeretie riboti ya iria maruthite ya nyuma ya kithurano kinene kiria kiaruthikire mwaka muthiru ya tariki 9 mweri wa kanana. Murungamiri munene wa kamiti ino tawe MARJAN na ugete kithurano kiaruthikire na njira ya UUMA na WERU na kiare mukaririgiti uria umagarukite Wafula CHEBUKATI na ugete na ririti mathina maria monekanire ta siasa kuthungira uruti wirani wao ABISA mamwe ma kamiti ino wekirwa MPINE na nkinyagia kuremwa kwigana kwambia imatengeretu na shoketea shokia nkatho kiria Kenya ni kumonenkera kanya kau ethirwe akimatongori. Anthony Kadenya katariri.
Nyuma ya kwithirwa batongerete kithurano kia mwaka muthiru baria mona commissioners bangi bana ba kamiti ya ABC mwikari twa kamiti ino Wafula CHEBUKATI commissioner Abdigulie na moya boru ni bakinyete muthio ruti NGUGI kiri kamiti ino muthinyo aro tariki 17 ntuki yayo ya muthia ya ruti NGUGI kiri commission ino. Kile uruguri bwa ripoti ya uruti NGUGI bwa commission ino kithurano nigituku mwikari Wafula CHEBUKATI na makamishina baba nibagwetete ati nibarutire NGUGI ya bula kubaterie na nibekirite musingi mwega baria bakithura bagitonya obisini.
This launch marks my last duty as the chairman of the commission. I exceed a very contented man and I say we gave it our best. We charted and weathered the storms that threatened the existence of the Commission. We endured relentless fatigue in our preparation for election. We mustered high courage to overcome perils of democracy, and we delivered the sacred will of the people of Kenya. We believe the pace has been set, and I take this opportunity to wish our successors all the best as they pick the baton from us to take the elections of this country to the next level.
Kithurano gituku kiari no sindani munene gatigati ka Rais William Ruto na mutongole wa ngatanile Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Amolo Odinga na kulingana mwikari twa kamiti ine ya ABC Wafula CHEBUKATI mamoma mathina mala kamiti ine ombele kwithurwa gitukila ni kuthietua gutekwa mona kulaga kwa makamishina bamwe ba kamiti ino.
The 2022 general elections witnessed probably the gravest attempts to usurp the independence of the Commission and the sovereign will of the people of Kenya as expressed in the polls. These attempts took the form of ethnic profiling and open threatening of some members of the Commission and staff, arrest and holding communicator of Commission staff and service providers without lawful basis, abduction and illegal detention of staff and service providers by state security, attack and assault of some members of the Commission, staff and service providers by goons and law enforcement agents at the Bomas of Kenya and at some county and constituency tallying centers.
Kulingana kamiti ni ya ABC gotambo wa ntutu ja urongo kagita kithurano ni methina ile bonete kithurano ni gituku untu bobobole umoga ukiri na wagagu.
We finalize our term in the Commission, we must say that one of the biggest threats to the Commission is misinformation and disinformation. We have seen misinformation or spread of false incorrect statements or facts in a political environment as a recipe for tension, unrest and chaos. And in Kenya, just like in other jurisdictions, misinformation is the latest and probably the greatest threat to democracy.
Amono gukiage ni bala bakinyile kilurugore bobone bakathite kamiti ine ya ABC nonto bakuruta NGUGI yao bakithingatagira katiba kithurano ni gituku.
Lost in the noise at Bomas is a story of these patriots. Even when some pay the ultimate price for their integrity with their lives, as happened with the returning officer in Embakasi, their stories are quickly forgotten. To these patriots, some of who are in this room or represented by those in this room, who include returning officers, presiding officers, polling clerks, and their supporting staff, this country owes you a debt of gratitude.
Kuma muji muneno Nairobi, mbita Anthony Rangi wa Kadenya.